Hi, I'm Busuttil Nishimura, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my top tips on how to make your kids' lunchbox healthy and fun. The first tip I have is to make your kids' lunchbox colourful. Kids eat with their eyes just like we do, so make sure you have a nice variation of different fruits and vegetables in their lunchboxes to make them really excited about opening it when they're at school. My second tip is to give your kids choice. That doesn't mean offering them, anything they want. Make sure you're comfortable with what you're offering, but just something simple like, would you like an apple or a banana today, can really make them feel empowered and involved in the process, and hopefully get them to eat it too. My third tip is getting your kids involved in the process. So when you go and do your shopping, bring your kids along and get them to help you pick out the fruits and vegetables. And my final tip is to save time when you're doing your shopping. We bought all of the ingredients for Haruki's lunchbox under the one roof at Chadstone, and it was super simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned because we're going to be showing you how to make the full recipe for the onigirazu.